price prediction, Ondo price prediction. Everything is dipping exactly as we predicted for today, and it's on daily chart. This is the daily chart on this site right here, and right here you can see that money flow, this red thing is going down, VWAP is going down, everything is essentially going down. And the question is why? What is happening? Why? What happened? Did we do something wrong? There's a few things that are happening on the chart, and it's not because Ondo is a bad coin. It is because of Bitcoin and the Fed and macro things. And on every coin we've been analyzing, I'm writing the same things. Next 2 days equals dump will be red. So if you're gonna buy something spot, obviously this video is not financial advice, just wait today and tomorrow and you get a better range. Or just place a limit order right somewhere around here and you just get a better range. So this is an urgent video. I want to alert everyone on that. This is not a heart rate. It never was. Just because we could see all that on the day. Just like here, we had good accumulation. Next day was good. Beginning of today was good. The same way, today is bad. Look at this, man. This was such a good entry. You could have shorted here. You could have longed here. There's very good trades, especially at VWAP or 10 EMA. You can easily target the 10 EMA for easy trades. Like you long here, 10 EMA, short there, 10 EMA. These trades are not hard at all. We will probably touch this level, the $1. That's just 2% from here. So this is exactly how I'm trading this. I just want to show you a few examples. We have curvature here. What happens? A little bit of a bearish trend on the next day. What happens next? We pump. Where do we start pumping? Here. What happens here? Exactly here. Pump, 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 pump. VWAP, money flow, everything curving up. Not to mention stochastic. Not to mention stochastic RSI. When stochastic is high, just like it is right here, above 60 or above 80, and you get this curvature, you can start shorting and you wouldn't lose money doing this. I know this is a little bit of a longer term strategy, but that's an easy trade. So something very simple right now for me to do is short here to here for 1%. I would have shorted sooner. We got a lot of videos done today, over 10 videos of different shorts I took. But this is just an example on how I'll play this out. Love with all my heart. See you next video. Also, I forgot to say a few things. If you want some of my custom indicators, all of that, I'll have links for free for everything in the link in the description down below. To my course, I'll be adding the indicators there. Also to my signals chat and in the link in the description down below, you can claim 8 grand worth of bonuses from BINGX. See you next video.